Hi, this is Jay Valenta live from RedWagonTeam.com, and today we're going to be looking at Maria Pacifica condos here in the city of Long Beach, and it's a unique waterfront community, but I want to kind of give you some insights into the research on our website and what's the pricing, what's really happening in that marketplace. Is it a good place to buy? Are there a lot of properties for sale at Maria Pacifica? Let's find out today. So when you go to redwagonteam.com, you click on the condo menu and you click on Long Beach condos. Then you'll get this page here, and you go to popular, and in popular you'll click on Maria Pacifica condos. Now I also have a condo directory that lists all the condos here in the city of Long Beach. You can find out how many properties are listed by each individual building, the average prices. I've got tons of data, more data than Zillow or any other realtor in the city of Long Beach has. So it would be really informative for you to go to redwagonteam.com. So we're going to look at Maria Pacifica condos. This picture will change to make it look like Maria Pacifica condos probably later today. Anyway, as we go down here, I have this little table of contents. It's great because you can click on any of these little links here and it'll take you further down the page to get some real insights into the community. Like if you want to look at floor plans in Maria Pacifica, you click on it, it'll give you kind of a breakdown up here, and then over here I have it all the floor plans. So if you click on any of these, you can download the actual floor plan and take a look at it. I tried to do a big chart of every single floor plan in Maria Pacifica to give you some insights into one of the 570 condos there. Now, up above, Maria Pacifica condos for sale. Currently, there's nothing for sale in Maria Pacifica. Sorry. I can try to find something off the market for you if you can call me at 562-413-7655. Shameless plug, got it. Anyway, let's look at the numbers for Maria Pacifica and see what's going on. So we're going to click on InfoSparks here. I've set it up to condos, to Maria Pacifica condos. The average selling price at Maria Pacifica is $626,110. Wow, as an average. That's pretty awesome. It's up 9.4% from a year ago, so we've got to look at that. Let's look at closed sales. So year-to-date, 51 units have sold within Maria Pacifica, which is a gated waterfront community. Okay, 29 last year. Let's see, how long does it take for a condo at Maria Pacifica to sell? The average days on market is 22 days. That's down 62% from a year ago. So we have less inventory. Just like I showed you, there's nothing for sale there currently as of December 1st. We're making this November 2021 sales video, but there's nothing for sale there right now. Okay, so let's look at only 22 days on market. Wow. Okay, months of supply. Well, it should be 0, but somehow it came out to 1.2 months. It's really 0. Don't tell anyone. The MLS is, I guess, not perfect today. Okay, the average price per square foot for a condo at Maria Pacifica is $589 per square foot. That's up 10%, 10.1% from a year ago. And then this is my favorite statistic right here, the percentage of the last listed price. This will tell both of us whether buyers are paying full price, above, or below. So let me show you how that works. So I always look at averages. To me, it's more important than median price. If you said, Joe, how much is this condo? I look at the average price. I never look at the median. Appraisers don't either. Anyway, so the average percentage of the last listed price for the whole community of the condos that are selling is 100.8%. So you're looking at full price offers being accepted. Last year at this time, it was 98.5%. If you're looking at Long Beach condos, it's 101.7%. So they're paying 1.7% above the listed price. Houses are even higher. So it's really important to know the numbers. Sometimes, they're boring. Nobody likes to look at numbers, but I'd rather show you the real truth so you get some real good ideas. I don't go to Zillow or any of these other online sites. I just go to the MLS. I've been doing it for 28 years, so that's where the real numbers are, and that's what realtors and appraisers use. Okay, so back at our happy website over here at redwagonteam.com. If you're looking for a condo, just click on the condos button and you'll get Long Beach condos, and you can look all throughout the entire city of what's currently for sale in the different price ranges, or this directory. I'll show you that real quick here. Click on the condo directory. Pulls up this chart. Hopefully it'll load soon. Welcome to shooting a video live. Alright, well, not really live, but there's a wonderful picture. It'll be gone in a couple minutes here. Oh, there's the chart. So here's the chart here. The condo building name, the address, the neighborhood it's in, the current number of listings in the building, the number of units, the year built, whether they allow pets or not, what kind of view it is, and what the average selling price is. So it's helpful information. You're not going to find it anywhere else. Simply go to redwagonteam.com to find your next property here in the city of Long Beach or anywhere down the coast.